Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. Gonna show you a couple things here. 16 by 8 3200 with 32-inch radius. And then I'm gonna show you a 9 by 8 with 5 feet of high lift. So first, show you this bad boy. And we hung it up there with a homeowner, had an opener from an old gig. We just threw an 8-foot rail on there, extended the arm, and then you could see the custom mount we did right there. We bolted two flat arms together and put some big long lags in there and mounted the bracket to that. There's the big wiring mess. And then right there we did the opener mount with the extra angle. And then we did the big hooks here, the big 30 deuces, huge, right? And there's still another, what would you say that is, like 3 foot? Probably another 3 feet you can go up, but 32s was all they wanted to do here, which is fine. Rolls smooth as butter. And back here, we got the 9 by 8 with the 5 feet of high lift. This one there was no wood anywhere, so we've got a big contraption made there with some pieces of flat metal angle we used to bolt and drill holes to catch wood on the inside, nothing on the outside. We had to, as you could see, flip all the brackets, okay. This is all custom by Crash here. And got the big old honking springs. We put the spring bumpers up, and there's the 8500W. And here we go. Watch this speed demon go up. And I will not tell you my secret on how we do that. How we get it to go up that fast. There's the lock. Goes up nice, smooth. Some pretty trick ceilings in here. See if I can get you to zoom in a little bit on this, on the jacky shaft over here. That was another thing we had to do, custom mount bracket right there, because there was no wood, so we had to make our own. This whole job was custom. Everything about it. Everything about it. And you can see how close we got it to that window too. We just squeaked it over. Maybe we'll cut that pipe off so you don't see it, the little piece of pipe hanging when you're a million miles away over there. I don't know. That's it. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343 for your high lift conversions, 32-inch radius, custom jobs, regular jobs, whatever. Give us a hoot and a holler, 630-271-9343. Look at that thing. Lots of room in this garage. It's a beautiful garage. Humongous. Thanks for watching our high lift 32-inch radius video. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Happy New Year. Thanks for watching.